my name is Roman Spiegel and I'm an artist based in Glasgow, and come with me for a day at my stall at the Barras. At my stall I sell my artwork, so in cards, postcards, and then I also do life sketches. I've been at the Barras since the end of November, but I've only had this permanent stall for like the last 2 weeks. So I still feel like I'm quite new to selling my work. It also feels pretty weird to say that phrase, but I'm manifesting, I think. Anyway, my current goal for my stall is just to try and have at least one new thing every week, or at least something that averages out like that. So this week I have put a watercolour that I did last summer of cows onto cards and postcards. I just thought it was cute, and I'm also really looking forward to summer. I've had enough of winter. Also made some business cards for the first time. I'd been meaning to do this for Yonk, but I didn't know what to do with them, so I had been putting it off. But then the other day I was just like, I need to do something and then I'll just figure it out from there onward. There are still a couple of things I want to change, so that's definitely something I'll try and do later on in the week. Anyway, I always feel super happy after a day at the Barras, so at 4 p.m. I just packed my stuff up and walked home. It's really nice, like, actually interacting with people about my art. And then when I got back I had a cup of tea, worked on my laptop, watched a film, had dinner, and then went to sleep, and then got up and to do the same thing the next day. Anyway, tjuri and draste!